Okay, so you asked for it. Now here it is. I've been getting flooded with emails and DMs and messages. If I can make somebody a logo for their stream, whether it be for Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. So what I'm going to do today and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can make your own font style logo for your stream for free. Welcome to Retro Reviews, where we take the guesswork out so that you don't have to. My name is Richard. Welcome to the Ark. If you have any questions or if you just want to come and hang out with me and my little man, we do stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and now Saturday live on Twitch. We'll put a description down in the link below for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon notification so that way you get notified whenever we post up new videos. Okay, so today I'm going to walk you through on how to create a free logo that's font based, but there's so many options out there now that you've got to make sure that your stuff stands out. This will give you an option so that way you can actually have something on your page for people to see. So let's jump right in and we're going to get started. Okay, so here's the site that I was talking about. It's called flamingtext.com and it's free. Again, it's 100% free unless you push into the premium side of it, then you pay a little fee and you can have whatever it is you want. What we're aiming on today is just to do a simple free logo and go from there. So as you can see, they do have multiple styles. There's like 45 plus pages of just different styles of logos that you can choose from. I'm gonna go for the Vroom because I do like this style. I do like the way it looks. Okay, so first thing you're gonna want to do is put in your streamer name. So today we're just gonna use mine, which is the Geeks of Retro. All right, so there you go. That's what it would look like, just plain Jane, simple, to the point. Now, again, you can come down here and choose from hundreds of different fonts that they have. I kind of like the Bangers one. It's pretty popular. So again, here's a different one. So that's what it would look like if I were to change it up to a totally different font. We're going to go back to Bangers. So there's this one here. Again, be creative. Choose the font that you think is going to fit your style, what you like, what you're about. So now once you've done that, the one thing I always do is I will take and I will run this font size as high as it will let me before I go into the premium, because again, I'm not trying to pay for this. So we're going to set it at, like this one here says 198 font size. I'd rather go from big down to smaller versus smaller to bigger, and then it just not look good. All right, so now we're going to go over here to logo, and here you have the fill, color, and gradient. So color is just your standard color that they have here. Your pattern, that's if you decide that you want to change it to like wood grain. They have like tons of different patterns here that I don't care about patterns. I like, well, like even if you go in here, so you can go to extra, stone color, you know, it's whatever you decide if that's your thing. You can also do gradients. Myself personally, I like the red because that's kind of our thing, but you can also change it around where, say, instead of black here, you want, we'll say blue. So what it'll do is it'll change, see, the black outline went to blue. And then if I really wanted to, I can hit OK and then come down here and I can make the outline size bigger right here. And now I can make my outline look a little bit thicker, or if, you know, actually that looks pretty cool. So we'll leave that one like that. I like the thickness of the white. It gives it a good flow. Again, choose your own colors. Choose something that is you. If your favorite color is purple, run with purple. If your favorite color is green, go with green. That is all on you, but be creative. Now, after this is all said and done here, just go right here to shadow. So say you don't want a drop shadow, you just want it to be flat. There it is. Say if you want a reflection. As you can see, the premium spot over here comes in. Right now, it's at its max for the premium. If you go one more step forward, see how that lights up? Now it's considered a premium image. And that's the reason why they premium market. So that way you'd have to pay for it to get the unwatermarked version. Again, then they have the glow, which now this here you can actually choose what color of a glow you want. I'm not a big fan. I like this setup, but I'm used to say go with the none, have nothing behind it, and that way you don't have to worry about it. And then from there, once you've done that, go right over here to background. The one thing I'll tell you to do, transparent. The reason for that is then now you don't have to worry about a background being behind your image, and then you can take this image and put it on something else. If you leave it with a color, a pattern, a gradient of that, or anything like that, those backgrounds will be a part of the image and you won't be able to remove it. So I always go for transparent so that way I can use it on various things without having an issue. And then after that, once you're done with that, you just click on image. There, you want to save it in a file format of PNG if possible, then click next. Now this is the page that you're going to. This is where, like, if you made it a premium logo, you would just click buy logo. You can finish your edit, things like that. You just click on download. It'll automatically download it. What you do is you'll just take and click download. It'll be in your download folder, and it'll be under like Coolig or something like that. Click and drag, bring it over to your desktop or wherever it is you need, and boom, you're done. And now you have your own custom logo for your channel, whether it be YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, whatever it is. But now you have something that actually signifies who you are. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to leave a comment down in the section below. Don't forget, me and my little man do stream on Twitch, so if you want to come in and say hi to us, please do. We also have an amazing Discord group that's growing every day, that with other like-minded people. Jump in there and say what's up to us, guys. Again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today and learning how to make these wonderful little free logos for your channel. And remember, guys, keep transforming. Will he make it?
I believe I can fly.
There. Oh, did he didn't? No! No!
Shame! Shame! Shame!